Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on Hey Siri on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open your iPhone settings. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on Siri or Siri and search. Then click on Talk to Siri. Now select Hey Siri. Or if you want to use Siri to wake your Siri, select Siri or Hey Siri. And then that is it. Now when next you want to talk to Siri, all you simply need to say is Hey Siri. Then you see the Siri wake. And that's it. So that's exactly how to turn on Hey Siri on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.